Hello to all. I take this opportunity to explain about our project Oil Well Robot. Now this is the structure of our robot. As you can see, there are two platforms for it. We have attached 4 solenoids to the robot, which is exported from Japan. When you take a closer look of the solenoid, we see that it has a locking mechanism. Now we see the geared DC motors. It is attached to a rack, and the mechanism by which the robot move up and down the pipe is using the rack and pinion. Now on top of it you have the cameras which is attached. It is the wireless video streaming device on the robot. It is positioned in such an angle so as to provide a complete view of the inner pipe. Now you can see the PCB, the ZigBee, the receiving unit in the robot is attached onto the PCB directly. And in the lower portion we have the power transistors. The power transistor also has a heat sink. This is to regulate the temperature due to long usages. Now this is a complete project that we have done. We have provided a platform so as to clearly understand how the robot is able to move. This is the top portion. The camera is placed in such a position so as to get a complete view inside the pipe. Now this is the windows that we have created, the GUI. It is created in Python Qt. We have also put the command windows, which has up and down buttons, which provides for the flexible motion of the robot inside the pipe. Now this is the final output that we are expecting. You can see clearly the inner of the pipe. Now this is the ZigBee, which is located near the user. It transmits the wireless control to the robot. Now when you take a closer look onto the solenoids, the robot is on, and for the up portion the upper solenoids are activated. At this time the lower solenoids are deactivated. Now the motor rotates so as that the lower portion is able to move up. The solenoids are activated at the bottom. Now the whole structure would move up by the anti-clockwise rotation of the motor, and then the solenoids are activated so that it is able to maintain its position. Now this is the final position in which the solenoid is able to stand alone with the help of the 4 solenoids. I believe that this robot is able to upgrade so as to create a smooth movement up and down the pipe. So thank you all for listening.